My name is JSP, and today we got a sword launcher and some Legos. I'm going to demonstrate how to make one, how to make a Lego Beyblade using a sword launcher. So, I'm going to demonstrate. Grab a 4x6 plate and add 2 of these tiles right here. Don't worry, I built one of these before. Then add 2 of these 4 4 by 4, I think. Yeah, 4 by 1. And then add one of these. And then the back, we got one of these. Grab a 4 by 4 plate. Grab another one of these. Place it on the back of the 4 by 4. I showed you when you put it on the back of a 4 by 4. Looks like a 3 by 3, but it's actually not. 4 by 4. So put this straight in the middle. You will see that dot right there. Put one of these on it. Put one of these on it. In the circle. Then we have this. Place that in there. Snap it on. Then grab the sword launcher. Make sure it's like, you can build a sword launcher. It's just the launcher and this is broken. So you have to put it on. It's kind of easy, but it's hard to take it off. And put this in where you want it, but you cannot put it in that way. Then what I'll do, pull this sword launcher and then be going. If it hits like a normal Beyblade, it just flies very easy. So make sure, make this strong. Next time, make one of these.